What is in your baby's infant formula? The FDA is currently doing a review of formula called Operation Stork Speed. This is an in-depth look at the ingredients and formula. A review like this hasn't been done in nearly 30 years. ABC Action News reporter Rebecca Petit is now listening to parents and breaking down the FDA's goal here.
Tanaya Melton is a mom of two, and she understands that not all mothers are able to breastfeed. In her case, she gave her oldest daughter baby formula.
I was going with a more organic brand or even goat milk. They have that in powder form as well.
Melton prefers breastfeeding and is currently doing so with her 1-year-old. She tells me she's unsure of all the ingredients that go into formula.
I don't really like baby formula because I feel like they add too much inside the baby formula within some things that the kids don't even need. Breast milk, I prefer, is more natural.
The U.S. Food and Drug Administration has launched a review of the nutrients and other ingredients in infant formula. The initiative, called Operation Stork Speed, is the first deep look at the ingredients in nearly 30 years. FDA regulations require that infant formulas contain 30 specific nutrients, with minimum levels for all and maximum levels for 10 of them.
I think what has caused some families to worry, and something pediatricians are paying very close attention to, is the possible things that could end up in formula that aren't supposed to be there.
A recent Consumer Reports study found potentially harmful levels of contaminants, including lead and arsenic, in some infant formulas. The FDA's review will include increased testing for heavy metals and other contaminants. Pediatrician Dr. Lisa Cronin tells me a reevaluation of infant formula is needed.
Over the past 20 or 30 years, the way we grow our food has changed, and there are different chemicals and pesticides used. And depending on those chemicals and pesticides, they can affect how much arsenic does end up in the food sources, which end up in the baby formula.
Dr. Cronin tells me the best thing parents can do is to touch base with their pediatrician.
I always tell them from day one, this is actually something at this point that really should warrant a discussion with your pediatrician, because there are lots of factors in choosing a formula. And as we've seen with this Consumer Reports report, there definitely are brands that may be a little better than others.
Experts say the FDA's infant formula review would take at least a year. Rebecca Petit, ABC Action News.